Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we just went to buy an Airbnb. It is a mansion. Guys, hey, I'm recording. This is a first master. This is first master. Living room. Kit. Okay, this is second master. This is second master.
This is your room, right?
No. This is a regular bathroom. You have to wash your
hot
driveway.
in there.
This nice. Okay, guys, y'all gotta see this. Look at this. Look how big this master bedroom is. There's even a passcode to unlock this door. I don't know what it is, but this is a key. Oh my gosh! I'm gonna cuss right there. But look at this. Now I have to listen to those people showering because they have a TV to watch. Like, they're some lucky people. So I'm actually about to test out some lights. Y'all are not ready for this. Look at our bedroom. Okay. We got some stairs to lead to this top bunk. Now we gotta go all the way back down. Oh my gosh. We have one bunk bed. We have another bunk bed. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna be sleeping on this top bunk bed. That's our bed. I'm not in hers. Well, this is one bunk bed. This is the other one. We live in a mansion, actually, guys. Movie theater. We live in a mansion, guys. Okay?
I'm sleeping here.
We live in a mansion, guys. Imagine just dropping the electronics up here.
No, get down, boy. Your boy's allowed, except for Kayla.
Okay, look. This is the other one. Ow! Look at this. We live in... Okay, this one's actually my favorite. It has a camera. I don't know if this is a camera.
Shut up, bro.
I'm recording.
Shut up.
You shut up. You've been needing to shut up.
This is my bed now.
Imagine this. Oh, guys, we have an attic. Guys, we have an attic in our room.
We even got an attic, bro.
Oh my gosh, there's a camera in our room. There's a camera. There's a camera in our room.
You sleep right there. I'm sleeping here, boy. Okay, I got my own bed now.
Guys, there's a camera in our room.
Boy.
Oh yeah, there is a camera.
Oh, what happened to the charger?
I'm like,
Plug your charger. Let's go, baby. Wait, for real? Yeah, for real. For real? Let me see. Yeah, we do got chargers back here.
I'm taking the bottom bunk. I am too scared.
Oh, yeah. What? Oh, shit. Look. The charger board's right here. No, she's
I have a light. I have a light down here.
You're tripping. You're tripping.
Oh my gosh, I am so scared.
Come on, I'm telling you.
I am so
Shut
scared.
up. I have to pay down. Look, I'm telling you.
They are some lucky donkeys. They don't have ladders. Y'all don't have ladders like us. It's more extreme. Okay, now I have to sleep on the annoying one. The guy on top of me farts all the time. And it's about to be so annoying.
We're starting to get your stuff out.
Good for you. I'm recording. Oh, I just recognized that we have a signed jersey in here. This massive bedroom is actually my favorite. It is the biggest one. You can control the AC in here and everything. Oh, me gosh. It is a mansion. Dang, I can fit like 20 guests in there. My favorite is in here. It has tinted windows. Somebody just used the restroom, so it probably stinks, so I'm going to get out. But that is the end of the tour, guys. Bye!